Hey, this is Kevin. Welcome back to the Project Cave. Today, we're going to use this piece of granite countertop, some sandpaper, and a honing guide to put a mirror-like finish on the bevel of this chisel, and it'll be sharp enough to shave with. I'll prove that at the end of the video. On this piece of granite, I glued some 150, 400 wet dry, 1000 wet dry, 2000 and 3000, and those are wet dry sandpapers. We're going to flatten this blade, and that's the first step in making this thing good. So let's get to it. Okay, we have the back of this thing polished to a decent mirror shine. Now we're going to slip it into the honing jig and work on the bevel. It's 35-degree bevel, and in another video I'll give you the rundown on how to use this particular jig. That is like a mirror. So now we just got to come back to the edge. There's a little lip that you get, or a little ridge you get when you sharpen on the back. So we're going to flatten that out. Then we'll put our micro bevel on. So to put the micro bevel on, there's a little indicator on this honing guide. We just got to point to the bottom to the 6 o'clock position, and that just angles the wheel just ever so slightly. Couple passes right here. Micro bevel. And this thing should be ready to do some serious, awesome shaving. So let's test it out. All right, this thing is making some nice shavings on this block. The surface left behind is super smooth to the touch. There is a near mirror finish on this blade. I am happy with how it turned out. I'm not shaving my face with this thing, but like I said in the beginning of the video, I'm gonna shave some hair off the back of my hands. They are definitely less hairy at this point, so I am happy with how this turned out. If you like this video, here are a few other videos you might appreciate on my channel. Remember to subscribe and ring the notifications bell so you don't miss any upcoming episodes. I'm Kevin, and I'll see you next time in the Project Cave.